Okay, I'm gonna record this video. This video I took of a bird. And I slowed this down because I want you to see. See this bird? I think it's up here somewhere. Let me get my finger out of the way. It's up here. It appears and disappears. Watch it. Watch its eyes. Or what appears, I don't know. Watch the light up. It lights up. Disappears. There it is. Watch it. It's in slow motion, but I could see it with my naked eyes. See it? See it? See it disappear? Where'd it go? Okay. Let me back that up. Because there it is. I'm going to back it up just a bit more. Slow down. It's up here. See it? Now, it appears, disappears, or something's up with its... It disappears, but its eyes, I see its eyes. Disappears. Hear it still? See its eyes light up? What? See it disappears? Watch it. See it disappear? Watch its eyes. See it? It's in slow motion, but watch it. See? See it just completely disappeared. There. And when I saw that with my naked eyes, it looked like its eyes, lights came out of its eyes. And you can still hear it. But it kind of scared me, so I took off and ran in the house. Let me back that up. I wish there was a way that I could zoom it in, because I can do it on YouTube. See it above the light post? Watch it appear and disappear. And there it disappeared. It appeared. Watch its eyes. Now, can someone explain this to me? It disappears. It looks like lights coming out of its eyes or something. I will link the actual video below. Do you see it? So that you can slow it down yourself. See its eyes? That was supposed to be a bird I was filming. You hear it still? It appears, it disappears, and something weird happens with its eyes. So, guys, I don't know what's up with these birds, but hear it? You can still hear it, even though it's in slow motion. Let me back it up. And I apologize, guys, for this being like this. I'm not technically savvy, so it's at, I think it around that right mark.